This is the assessment, how do we use maps? Circle the letter next to the best answer. Number 1, a map shows a place, A, from above, B, from the side, C, exactly as it is, D, from below. Number 2, the map key explains A, the purpose of the map, B, distances on the map, C, symbols on the map, D, the size of the map. Number 3, use a compass rose to A, draw circles on maps, B, tell directions on maps, C, show flowers on a map, D, mark squares on maps. Number 4, a map grid helps you to A, know distance, B, tell time, C, find your way home, D, tell where things are. Number 5, which map will help you find your way around town? A, a street map, B, a map of the state, C, a map of the country, D, a map of the world. Study the map of Kofi's room. Circle the letter next to the best answer. Key: window, bed, closet, fish tank, door, desk, bookshelf. Number 6, which direction does Kofi's window face? A, east, B, south, C, north, D, west. Number 7, in which square is Kofi's bed? A, A1, B, B2, C, C3, D, B1.